try one right. Ouch. There's like, they're not horse flies, but the flies are biting me. But they're not gnats either. Straight into all the gut. Love it. The best. I just started over here, and I don't know. Well, we're gonna see how it is. There's a lot of, I don't know, there wasn't this much nasty stuff. I'll show you guys. I want it to spin around. There you go. Look at it. There was not all that last time. Why? Ugh. Put it down? Okay, alright. I put it down. Ew, I know. There's so much. Ouch. But yeah, I think I might leave it, since it's probably not going to be fun to reel it in, I'm sure. I really feel so outdoors. I be trying to get outside before it's winter. Oh my goodness. I don't want to be locked up all the time. So I just gotta watch my I'm dead. Sheesh. Oh wait. I think I'm just stuck on some stuff actually, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm literally just stuck. Oh, there you go. I think there's too much stuff. Bruh, I'm gonna reel in like the biggest amount of like algae ever. My wetsuit? My wetsuit. Look at what I reeled in. Okay, and my whole worm is gone. Just got lost in the muck pile. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give up on I'm gonna give up on this for today. Cause what the hell? Like it's all the way up on my thing. Oh, there's my worm. I didn't see it. It was just covered in it all. There we go. Keep doing it. Even though there's all this, like, this is not good. I have to fix my center too. Why do my center? Okay. Straight into the not so good stuff again. Oh yeah, you guys said put it down. That's what you fought for? Oh yeah. Take me to your boat. There's a whole ton of shells down here. Like a whole ton. Wait, let me show you guys.